Hey y'all, good afternoon. I am about to clean my couch. So I'm about to do this TikTok trend. So they say that you need boiling water, you need a microfiber towel, and you need laundry detergent, which I have. So I'm about to clean my couch because it's well overdue. I've had it since July. And let's get our concoction together. But let me get my detergent. I don't know. I saw them using like a Tide Pod, but I feel like that's just too much soap. So I think I'm gonna use one of my Gains, but I need to smell which one I like better. Shake that booty for Drake. Now shake that booty for me. I like this better. And they didn't use this, but I'm gonna just use like a few pieces of the scent beads because it just makes sense. The sun today, like, it's just super bright in here. I love it. I love it. My next place for sure has to have a lot of sunlight because this apartment has spoiled me completely. Like, completely. The sunlight in here is outrageous. Like, I just love it. It's insane. Y'all see how my burn is healing? It's healing pretty fast in my opinion. But let me get out my bowl and then make my concoction. My water is already boiling, so don't have to worry about that. We're gonna do hot water. No, oops. Let me do the detergent first. Just a little tiny bit. I'm gonna do, it's hot. I'm gonna do the scent beads, just maybe like 3 or 4 or 6. I'm gonna put the microfiber into the pan real quick, let that soak up. So now you need a pot cover. You're supposed to rinse this out, but it's so hot, I'm gonna burn myself. Like, y'all see the steam? And then, okay, y'all see. So, you put it like this. And then, like so. At the smaller pot cover. And we're gonna do it like this. Hey y'all, what's up? So the last time y'all saw me, I was cleaning off my couch. Obviously, literally that same night, it was dry. The couch definitely does look better, in my opinion. It looks a lot brighter, which I'm here for. I love it. I'll probably end up doing that a lot more. Yeah, it definitely looks just a lot brighter and cleaner. So right now, I am about to go to the grocery store. It is 5:46. I just finished uploading a vlog. I've been in bed all day because your girl is sick, okay? I am sick. I don't know if y'all can hear it, but I'm trying my best right now because the camera is on. But your girl was almost out for the count, okay? So I don't know, I really just have like a sore throat, like a scratchy throat, which is making me believe that I'm gonna lose my voice soon. I have a lot of like congestion and like body aches, and that's about it. But I'm about to head to the grocery store so that I can get some ingredients for lasagna soup. I've made lasagna soup before and it was really good, like really, really, really good. But I just love it, y'all. It just tastes so good. I just need a few ingredients, pretty much all the ingredients to make it. But I just have not been feeling good for the past, well, since, yeah, for the past, yeah, I think yesterday. But I'm pretty sure I'll feel better by the weekend, of course. So, about to go make some lasagna soup. And also, y'all, good news. I got my Christmas tree. Don't have any decorations, but the tree that I got is pre-lit. So, I mean, that's something. We're going to start somewhere. I'm just happy I got a tree. Y'all, it was so hard to find a tree in stores. Okay? So, got my tree. I'm gonna set it up tonight and make my lasagna soup and just chill, probably watch some Christmas movies. And tomorrow we have something super exciting going on. Every year in the city they do a tree lighting ceremony, and I've always wanted to go and never went. I'm going. Yeah, it's tomorrow, like around 6, 7 in the city. Me and Dre will probably end up going to that. You know, it's just like a vibe. Obviously, I shouldn't even be outside because my throat is already like scratchy and sore. So I just really have to dress warm, but we'll talk about that tomorrow. But yeah, I'm about to head to the store. I'll bring y'all with me. We're gonna get our ingredients, come back home and cook, shower, upload this video. It should be uploaded by the time I get back from the grocery store though. And then, yeah, just chill for the night. So come on. Let's go to the grocery store. Let's go. We gotta cook. We gotta eat. And I'm also wearing my Nike hats. Not Nike, what? My New York hat. Y'all know I bought it for our supposed New York trip. Didn't go to New York. Y'all are watching the DC vlog, obviously. But y'all, it fits so good. I love it. I'm obsessed. And can we talk about the green with the burgundy? Oh, it's giving Christmas. For real, for real. I'm like shocked that I'm in this good mood. I've been eating halls all day, drinking tea, and yeah, come on. We gotta put our shoes on and head out. Oh, and I got some packages. In an even better mood. Just came to the grocery store and y'all, it is so packed in here. I really thought I was gonna have the courage to bring y'all with me, but it's really giving in and out. So we're gonna be in and out. I cannot. So yeah, it's just too much going on. Anyways, I'm gonna go get these groceries and then I'll show y'all everything I got when I get home. And I'll show y'all like the end result of the lasagna soup as well. So in and out. Let's go. Told y'all the grocery store was packed, but I still end up, like y'all saw, I did do a little bit of something, but on my phone. So to make our lasagna soup, you're gonna need ground beef. I like Italian, hot Italian sausage. You need your lasagna noodles. You're gonna need your marinara sauce, tomato paste, ricotta, chicken broth. It's got some oregano, and I have heavy cream already. I need some of this. Oh, so I didn't need to buy chicken broth because I had some. That's about it. I'm about to chop my onion and garlic up and sear those, and then put in my meat, and then put in chicken broth and, you know, the rest of your seasonings and stuff like that. Break up the lasagna noodles, put them in there, let it cook. And that's pretty much it, y'all. It's really easy, really easy. Like I said, I've done it before and it came out chef's kiss because your girl can cook. But yeah, it's really not hard. It's like one of those little dummy meals. And it tastes really good, and it's perfect for like the sick weather because obviously your girl is under the weather. I'm under the weather. This is like the perfect time to be making any type of soup. So I'm excited. I have been craving lasagna for so long. So I'm just, I'm happy. Ooh. burn is looking so much better. The soup is still boiling while the noodles are still boiling. I still want them to like cook down. But I figured while that's cooking up, I might as well show y'all what I got from Amazon. So I just opened the first package and it's this rosemary essential oil. I didn't order this, so I'm guessing my mom may have ordered this and sent it to me, which is so nice of her. You know, you can use rosemary for literally anything, especially essential oils. You can use it for a massage, a bath, hair oil, skin, like candles. You can literally, like oil diffusers, literally any and everything. And it came with this big one for the actual bottle. This one will fit for the bottle, and then it came with the travel size. So in case you want to bring it with you. But yeah, that smells so good. Let me open up the other package. There's only 2 packages, y'all. Here is the second package. I'm pretty sure y'all recognize the brand. Let's open her. Another pair of Uggs because it's that season. These are so cute. No way. No, these are so cute. I am obsessed. So let me show y'all. So first of all, I was watching Aaliyah and she said that she had ordered some Uggs. She got the black one and the tan one. And I was like, hold on, I have never seen those before. Girl, let me go on the website and y'all tell me how, right? The original price of these was like $140, $150. I got it on a Black Friday deal for $80. $80. Y'all, are you kidding me? These look small though. What size are these? I'm scared now. What size are these? Okay. I don't know. I'm scared. Y'all know I already have the platform ones already. So let's try it on. Oh, these are so cute. Let me show y'all what they look like. They do make me tall. I mean, the same height as my other platforms. I don't know why I want to wear platforms so bad. Y'all, look. Look at them. Look. Oh my gosh. They are so cozy. So cute. Oh, yes. Yes. I will be wearing these everywhere. Yeah. These are so cute. Obsessed. I am waiting for the soup to be done, and then I am going to eat. I'm so happy I got them. And for a good price. Yeah. I'm obsessed. Obsessed. I should take a picture of them over my carpet because they kind of match my carpet. This tastes so good. I topped it with ricotta cheese, some parsley. Y'all, this tastes so good. I'm about to put a movie on. I don't know what to put on. I did such a good job. And it's so quick and easy. I think I might watch Divergence. It's not a Christmas movie, but it's one of my favorites. Have y'all been seeing like the little Instagram? You know how you can add to people's stories? It's an Instagram story where they say 6 movies that pretty much like describe you. My 6 would be, or just like that tell us about you. 6 movies that will tell us about you, or you know, whatever. My 6 movies will be Divergent, Love Don't Cost a Thing, Cheetah Girls 2, Devil Wears Prada, Drumline, and what is my 6? Made in Manhattan or Columbiana. I have too much. I have too many. I love movies. I love TV. Like, I don't know. I want y'all to leave a comment down below with 6 movies. This is 5 because my hand is occupied, but y'all know what I mean. So I want y'all to comment down below 6 of your favorite movies that's like top 6 for you. Like if anyone had to describe you, you would use these movies to describe your personality, to describe what you like to watch, whatever. 6 movies, let me know. I'm gonna put on Divergent. I have so many that is crazy.